Jonathan Schuster.
For the record, Abigail, this man was never appointed to me on my behalf. Like I told him the very first time I've ever met him, I'm here sui juris in propria persona. I reserve all rights. I, Jonathan hyphen Troy fakelaws colon Schuster, comma beneficiary and sovereign, and here for fraud, menace, and duress. Fiduciary Abigail. This is a Social Security Sesticate Trust action, which you are now a real party and interest to. I'm here sui juris in propria persona. I've challenged the jurisdiction of this court, and I don't understand. So I do need some questions answered. Is there a bond on this matter?
I believe you were PR. Actually, bail was set at $2,000.
There is a bond on this matter, correct?
Here we go. Right off the bat, we got Jonathan Schur launching straight into the sovereign citizen starter pack. Latin phrases made up legal status, and vibes of someone who Googled how to beat a court case with magic words.
Yes, there is.
Okay, and so is my social security number attached to these charges in any way?
I don't believe so.
You don't believe so?
I don't have any record of your social security number. So as far as I know, I don't know your social security number.
No, I'm saying is my social security number attached to these charges in any way?
Only in the extent that it's connected to your driving history.
So is that a yes or a no?
In some way, shape, or form, your social security number is in the system with records on you. That is true.
Okay, so
now we're in commercial court apparently because a $2 bond and a social security number mean the government is a business. And the judge is what the CEO, the logic is untraceable, but he's so confident it's almost impressive.
he just told me there was a bond, which means this is commercial court.
It's not commercial.
Now
court.
you're saying that my social security number is attached to these charges. And so, which means this is a Sesticate Trust action, which you are a real party in interest to. And I just told you I was the beneficiary. You're supposed to be charging the trust. You're not charging the beneficiary. And if you're creating bonds against my trust without my permission, I don't understand. Are you saying you're committing fraud trust?
I'm saying that you are subject to the jurisdiction of this court.
This matter cannot move until you've proven jurisdiction, and you failed to do so. And if you cannot prove jurisdiction, then this matter needs to be dismissed with prejudice because this is a commercial matter. I'm a non-U.S. citizen American national by way of American Samoa. I'm beneficiary. I'm here sui juris in propria persona, and we cannot move any further on this matter until this is either dismissed with prejudice.
Now he's accusing the court of committing fraud against a trust he thinks he owns. This is that wild sovereign citizen theory where you're not a person, you're a corporation. And apparently everyone owes you money. It's nonsense, but he's delivering it like a TED Talk.
Or you can prove jurisdiction.
So what would you like to do with your case? I assume, Mr. Parent, that you are not representing?
So the man cannot speak for me.
He's not speaking for you, but I am asking him a direct question, so I need you to let him answer.
Okay.
Yes, so the court did appoint us on this matter, but it sounds like he does not want my office to represent him, so I'm happy to withdraw.
You can dismiss yourself.
So would you like to represent yourself in the matter, Mr.
Please
Schuster?
do not tell me to shut up. You can dismiss yourself.
So he can't dismiss himself, only I can dismiss him. I'm asking you if you wish to have an attorney or if you wish to represent yourself.
This is a trust or Sesticate Trust action. And so I'm here sui juris in propria persona. You know what that means. And so we can prove.
I don't know what it means because it's nonsense, but nonetheless.
Prove jurisdiction, or we can dismiss this matter with prejudice.
So I'm not going to do.
Here's the classic move. Reject the public defender. Claim you're representing your quote real self and demand the court recognize you as your own sovereign entity. He's not responding to basic questions. He's just reciting a script like it's going to open a portal to freedom.
Do that today. Here are your choices. You can have Mr. Parent represent you. You can choose to obtain private counsel, or you can represent yourself. Let's start there. Which of those three?
Nobody's going to represent me. I can present myself, as I said.
So you wish to go pro se? I don't need you to read the script. I need you to tell me if you wish to go pro se.
I told you I'm here sui juris in propria persona.
Ms. Roberts, are you there?
Yes, Judge.
My inclination is to set this matter over and see if Mr. Schuster wants to give it another shot with his attorney or go pro se. It looks like this is the first pretrial and suspect he's not prepared to set for trial today.
What is the first one? There's no plead.
Okay, I'm not speaking to you, so you're gonna have to wait. I'm speaking to Ms. Roberts.
I mean,
Judge, I would ask that we set this matter over 1 week.
Okay. Do you want to come back to court in 1 week and try again?
we can finish this matter now.
We
There's no
can't.
need to
We
move
can't.
this any further because
So here's
it's
the
not
thing.
proven jurisdiction.
The judge is trying every calm route, offering options and giving him space. But Jonathan won't stop saying the word sui juris like it's a courtroom cheat code. He wants to talk at the court, not with it.
It's not my position today to have to prove jurisdiction to you.
It is. It is your position because
it's
it is
not.
on the courts.
And I'm also not going to argue with you.
There's no
So
argument.
I'm going to have you come back to court in 1 week.
There's nothing you can prove that you have jurisdiction. This man does not speak for me.
So we're going to come back to court on July 1st.
That date doesn't work
Why doesn't it work for you?
because I'm a man. I have things to do. I've come here multiple times under duress with threats from your end, and I have no more time for this matter. And unless you can prove jurisdiction, there's no need for this matter to move any further.
But you're going to come back on July 1st at 9 a.m. If you don't come back on July 1st,
Are you
then
threatening me now?
I'm telling you, there's going to be a bench warrant issued if you don't show up.
You're
So
threatening me now.
I'm giving you the choice of showing up
No,
or a
I'm
bench
giving
warrant
you the
issuing.
choice to finish this matter now or be responsible for your actions.
We'll set this for July 1st. I'm
Would you
going
like to be responsible for your actions and set this further? Because you can do that, or you can dismiss this matter with prejudice.
I'm not going to do that today. So July 1st, 9 a.m. back.
This is where it spirals. He says he's being, quote, threatened by the judge, who's just explaining the consequences of missing court. He demands the case be dismissed with prejudice, like he's issuing the ruling. It's giving main character energy, but with zero legal standing.
Back in
Now
this
you're
courtroom.
threatening me. Abigail, what's the reason for the threats, Abigail? You violated my rights enough.
We'll just hold Speedy for
You
this week, Ms.
violated my
Roberts.
rights enough. This matter needs to be dismissed with prejudice,
We'll see you back on July 1st.
or else what? You're gonna threaten me?
Or else the court will issue a bench
So
warrant.
you're threatening me now, Abigail.
I am telling you
No,
your
I'm telling you,
options.
this matter needs to be dismissed with prejudice. Because you cannot prove jurisdiction. This is a
Signature
separate
here.
trust action.
Signature
You're
here,
trying
please,
to
sir.
commit fraud.
Sir,
You're
Mr.
trying to
Schuster.
commit fraud. Miss, I'm
So-
speaking with Abigail.
You're done.
No,
you're done.
you can't tell me I'm done.
I
This
can.
is no, you don't have power to do that.
Your court case is
You
over.
don't have power to do that.
Sir, your hearing is over. If you don't take your paperwork and leave the courtroom, we'll have you remanded into custody.
You're threatening me now,
I'm
even more so
Giving you
than
a
you already
choice.
were. And if anybody tries to touch me, I'll charge them with assault and battery. So I will be gone because this matter is dismissed.
So for the record,
For the
the
record.
defendant's choosing to leave without his paperwork. He is expected to be back in court July 1st at 9 a.m.
And here comes the finale. He storms out, threatens to charge anyone who touches him with assault and battery, and declares the case dismissed himself. It's like watching a Law and Order episode written by a Reddit conspiracy thread.